We've got a Ford Kuga here, about a 2014. It's a 1.6 petrol, and we had an issue not starting after we did the service. We were completely confused what the hell was going on. It would swing and not start. So we found the issue is these plugs, the ignition coils. When you put them in, if you go put them in straight down, it misses the plug completely. So there's actually space for it to miss the plug. It doesn't have a tube leading it down to the plug. So you've got to be very careful putting it at an angle down. If you're facing the vehicle to the left, at an angle down, to make sure that it's on the plug properly. So it wasn't making contact with the plugs basically. And that was the starting issue, if anybody's got this problem. Thanks.